Hi friends, very good morning all of you. How are you? So happy Sunday to all of you. I hope you are enjoying your Sunday. And today I'm making this video on 20th February. And as all of you know that CA intermediate results are going to be announced on 26th of February. So after that, there will be some students who clear CA inter group 1 and promoted to group 2, or some students who want to study group 2 again, or some students who want some revision classes or crash course. So normally what happens every time whenever the results are announced, all the academies, all the lecturers, they will be in a hurry to announce their crash courses, their regular batches, etc. Blah blah blah. So this dynamics and all. But I've been thinking from students' point of view, there are many students who are doing articles and earning very less amount. There are some students who are working and trying to balance the studies. There are few students, they are dependent on mom and dad for their studies and all. They might have attended the classes once, and second time, if they ask parents to pay full fee, they may not be able to afford, or they may not be willing to pay money, because the student is a repeater and once or twice you failed in the exam. So all these things only CA students can understand, others cannot understand. For example, even if you are a very meritorious student in your 10th class or 11th class or BCom, when you come to CA, it is natural that you might take 1-2 attempts before you clear. Okay, that doesn't mean we are giving up. That doesn't mean our performance has come down. CA is, a level of examination. It is designed for toughest people. It is one of the toughest courses in the country. So to do that, we need to have a good strategy. We need to have good mentoring. We need to have patience. Okay, and also we need to swim against the stereotypes of the society, or sometimes family, sometimes parents. So I understand the difficulties faced by the CA students. That is the reason I have come here with a never before offer on pricing of all the products in cap classes. You cannot even believe what I am going to tell, but yes, I want to give something back to the student community. That is the reason I'm doing this. All the subjects where we give a subject for 6,000 plus GST, that comes to 7,000 odd rupees, be it accounting, costing, advanced accounting, auditing. These are 100 marks papers. Normally, the price will be 6,000 plus GST. We are giving that on flat 3,999, including GST, which will be approx, almost 40-45% of discount on the existing price. Not only that, hold on. Not only that, you will be able to attend live crash course without paying any fee. You'll be able to attend live crash course without paying any fee. That means today, if you subscribe to the course, so that 100 videos or 90 videos, whatever are there in the course video section, you are able to access. Point number one, that itself is coming to you at 40%, 45% discount. Point number two, after the results, whatever the crash course we are going to announce, if you have purchased, say for example, costing live crash course, if it is going to be announced, you need not pay any fee and you can happily attend the classes. Okay, so you have to think it this way. Normally for crash course itself, fee will be 4,000. So I'm giving you crash course plus a recorded 100 videos covering the full syllabus, full concept, free of cost. So you don't need to pay 1 rupee also extra for that. So I have been thinking of, as you know, last 2 years, 3 years, I've been giving free study plans. I have given, free test series. I am giving so many motivation videos and all to the students. I am thinking of, can I give something more, something extra to the students? So if you compare this financial management or costing kind of classes, okay, my experience, my level of expertise in the subject, if you compare with the other faculty, they are giving 1 month, 2 months validity courses at 7,000, 8,000 rupees. Not that I don't like money, not that I cannot bet, not that, I can also have a mindset of, if you want, if you can afford, by otherwise get lost, I can even maintain that. But my point is, when we reduce the amount, I will be able to reach to more students. So I want those students financially, maybe because of the COVID or because of the earning ability or because of repetitive examinations. So whatever the stigma you are carrying, because of some reason, if you cannot invest 7,000, 8,000 for one subject, trust me, with 10 to 14,000, you can attend the whole group in this program, whatever I'm giving it to you. For example, advanced accounting comes in 3,999, audit comes in 3,999, financial management is coming in 2,999, strategic management is coming in 1,400 or 999. I do not remember, maybe we have priced it somewhere near 1,000 rupees. So all these things, if you add also, for 11,000, 12,000, you are getting 4 papers. Okay, so I feel this is my service to student community. If you want to encash this, there is one condition. These courses are valid up to 28th February. That means you have 8 days. So before results also you can buy happily, or after the results also, I'm giving you 2 more days of time, 28th up to 28th, you can register to this course. So what are you waiting for? Open CAP classes mobile application. In that mobile application, go to courses, store bolke, there will be one option, store. In that you can see all this. If you want to buy in credit card or by net banking or by any other payment gateway, you can happily open the store in CAP classes mobile application and you can subscribe to that. If you want to know more details, or if you want to pay through Google Pay or Phone Pay, and then you want to register your seat, you can contact us in our phone number given below, 98467 91598. Okay, so from my side, I offered you, I am telling you that I'll give you free study plan, I'll give you test series, and I have given this 40% discount on all our courses. So my task is done. Now it is your task. You have to enroll to the course. You have to start your preparation. You have to write the exams, and you have to ensure that coming May 22 exams with the double vigor, with double strength, with double increased performance, you have to crack the exams and you have to come out with the flying colors. So don't wait. Today itself, take your mobile, register to the course, and once you purchase the course, send the invoice to my WhatsApp number so that we can send study materials and we can send study plans to you. Okay, so thank you so much. All the very best. God bless you. Thank you.